My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the malicious pop-ups that are coming from the site Defendersystem.xyz. Defendersystem.xyz. So this is a truly deceptive website which may attack Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and other browsers too. The website Defendersystem.xyz claims to be related to the well-known security software, but it is a mistake to interact with all these pop-ups. Such pop-ups are totally faulty. Don't trust them. Don't ever interact with them. They are extremely malicious, so you should not trust their deceptive content. Also, do not click on any allow buttons, because this would hijack your browser even more. Now, such pop-ups, of course, may be the trace of some adware on your computer. What I recommend you to do is researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So through the website combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start thoroughly researching and investigating your device in order to detect and delete other infections which could possibly remain on your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.